In this video, I'm going to show you how to color grade a specific color inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you've got your footage on your timeline, you want to go into the Effects tab and search for Lumetri Color. Alternatively, you can find that up here in the Workspaces window. So color is this, and that will load up Lumetri. But either way, drop Lumetri onto your footage, and then we're going to go down into HSL Secondary. Now, HSL Secondary is going to target a specific color so that we can make fine adjustments. So let's go for green in this example. So let's target all of the green parts of the frame. So we'll start by selecting the green circle. Then we're just going to move this slider around to fine tune our selection. Now, if that's not doing a great job, then you can move down to the next option and you can change the saturation. And then we can go down to L, which is our luminance, and you can just make a few more adjustments as well. What we're doing here is we're searching for the color. So everything that is in color will be affected and everything gray will not be affected. Alternatively though, you can change that so you can go color/black. So that is how that would look. Or you could just go for white/black. So this feels like a really precise way of dialing in that selection. But once you've selected your color, you can just add a little bit of blurring to soften that off. And now we can make some corrections to that green. So if we turn Lumetri off and on, you can see that selection has made everything look a lot greener. Alternatively though, we could select blue and let's aim for the sky. So I'm going to change this to color/gray because that's what I'm used to using. Make sure the sky is selected, and then we're just going to go back into our correction window, and I'm just going to pull the temperature of that to the left a little bit. I'll pull the tint over towards the left as well. Then I'm just going to move this color wheel towards the blue. And now if we turn that off and on, you can see it's just made that very nice subtle correction. Of course though, you can see there is this bleed here on the cloud. So I'm just going to increase the blur to soften that off, and that is a lot less visible.